Using butcher twine to tie around the eye of the round helps maintain its shape. After letting the roast smoke for a flavorful 45 minutes, I carefully set it aside, allowing the rich aromas to linger in the air. Then, I cranked up the grill's temperature, eager to reach the perfect searing heat that would ignite a spectacular Maillard reaction, creating a beautifully browned crust that would enhance its savory flavors. To make slicing easier, the roast will be partially frozen before being cut. This technique helps achieve clean, precise slices, making it ideal for serving. The spread was a velvety blend of creamy mayonnaise and tangy sour cream, infused with the bold heat of extra hot horseradish and a subtle touch of garlic. This flavorful combination created a deliciously zesty schmear that added an exciting kick to any dish.
This dish incorporated a lacto-fermented Italian giardiniera, which contributed valuable texture and enhanced the overall flavor profile.